Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. So, I welcome you again to your English class, and today we will study chapter number 2 from your supplementary book, A Pact with the Sun. And the name of the story is The Friendly Mongoose. Okay, let me ask you one question. How many of you have seen the mongoose? Well, let me tell you something about mongoose. Actually, mongoose is a small carnivorous mammal with a long body and tail that eats snakes, rats, and birds' eggs. And the mongoose is well known for its ability to fight and kill snakes, particularly cobras. The friendly mongoose is a famous story from the Panchtantra, and this is a story about a farmer, his wife, and their small child who used to live in a village. And there was also a baby mongoose in the house, and the farmer and his wife believed that the mongoose would be their son's friend in future. And one day the farmer and his wife went out, leaving the child alone with the mongoose. And a very strange thing happened then. So let's see what happened then. So look at the paragraph number 1. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. This pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the idea. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. Here in this paragraph, the word companion means friend. So, a farmer, along with his wife and a small baby, used to live in a village. Both he and his wife loved their child. One day, the farmer shared his idea with his wife and expressed a wish to bring a pet to their house as a companion to their son. His wife liked the idea and agreed, and one day the farmer brought a baby mongoose as a pet. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size, a lovely animal with two shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. In this paragraph, the word bushy means thick, and the word cradle means a small bed for a baby. So both the baby mongoose and the farmer's son grew together, and within 5 or 6 months, the mongoose grew to its full size with two shining black eyes and a bushy tail, whereas the farmer's son was still a baby, crying and sleeping in his cradle. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, I am off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. Here in this paragraph, the word rocked means to move from one side to another, and the word frankly means honestly. So one day, the farmer's wife had to go to the market. She fed the baby and moved him a little to make him sleep. She picked up the basket to go to the market and asked her husband to keep an eye as the baby was sleeping. Actually, she said that she did not like to leave her baby alone with the mongoose. You need not be afraid, said the farmer. The mongoose is a friendly animal. It's as sweet as our baby, and they are the best of friends. So the farmer told her not to be afraid, as the mongoose was as sweet as their own child. Moreover, both of them were good friends. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. He ran into some friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some time. So the wife went to the market, and the farmer, as he had nothing to do at home, also went to his fields, which were not very far from the house. And on the way, he also met his friends and got late. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her, as was customary. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. Blood, she cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. In this paragraph, the word groceries mean the food and other items that you buy in a food store or supermarket. The second word is customary, which means fixed. Third word is screamed, which means shouted. The word smeared means covered. So the farmer's wife came back from the market with her basket full of groceries. And the mongoose was sitting outside the house as if he was waiting for her. And on seeing her, he ran to welcome her. But as the farmer's wife looked at the mongoose, she started shouting and crying because she noticed blood on the face and paws of the mongoose. She thought that it was her baby's blood. You wicked animal, you have killed my baby, she screamed hysterically. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. In this paragraph, the word wicked means immoral, the word hysterically means emotionally, and the word rage means anger. So the farmer's wife thought that the mongoose had killed her baby. She was blinded with rage. Blinded with rage means she was full of anger. She was full of uncontrollable anger, and she hit the mongoose with the heavy basket with her full strength. And after this, she ran inside to her child's cradle. The baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. In a flash, she realized what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. In this paragraph, the word torn means cut. In a flash, it means quickly. So, as the farmer's wife went inside the house, she found that the baby was sleeping. But there was a black snake lying on the floor, who was torn, that is, cut into pieces, and was bleeding. Very quickly, she understood the whole story and she ran out looking for the mongoose. Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done? She cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still, unaware of her sobbing. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. In this paragraph, the word sobbing means crying. Hastily means quickly. The word rashly means carelessly. And the word wiping means cleaning. So the farmer's wife realized her mistake and went outside to see the mongoose. But it was too late because the mongoose had died. Actually, her quick and careless decision had killed the innocent and friendly mongoose. So, this story teaches us a lesson that we should think before doing anything. We should think before taking any decision. We should not act hastily. Okay? So, I hope you have understood the story, and this is all for today. We will meet once again in a new video with a new topic. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.